Hey, I'm out here to help you pick the perfect campsite because a good night's sleep outdoors starts with where you pitch your tent. First up, terrain. Look for flat, level ground. Trust me, you don't want to roll downhill in your sleep. Avoid low spots where rain can gather and stick to well-drained soil. If it's rocky or rooty, keep searching. Next, think about water. You want to be close enough for easy access, but not so close that you risk flooding or wildlife encounters. About 200 feet away is the sweet spot. That gives you easy water but also keeps your camp clean and safe. Now, natural shelter. Trees can shield you from wind and sun, but watch for dead branches overhead. You don't want a widowmaker dropping in the night. A stand of healthy trees or even a big boulder can provide a cozy windbreak. Check your surroundings. Are there signs of animal trails, ant hills, or nests? Move elsewhere. And always respect local rules about where you can and can't camp. Bonus tip: face your tent door toward the sunrise if you want a gentle wake-up call, or away if you like to sleep in. Small details make a big difference. So remember, flat ground, safe distance from water, natural shelter, and clear of hazards. Take your time scouting, and you'll set yourself up for the best outdoor experience. That's it. Next time you're out here, you'll camp like a pro. Hit like if you found this useful, and happy camping.